Hello world, welcome to Coding Scientist Robotics and Artificial Intelligence on Jetson Nano JetBot module. Alright, let's open our Word doc manual, the most exciting manual, and let's see, we are on lesson number 10. Guys, we are progressing really well. So in this lesson, we are going to fix the caster wheels to the JetBot bottom section of the bot, right? So you would have received in your kit a small two ball bearing kind of thing, white color with the bearing stuff. And the plate. So the most important thing in this lesson, guys, you will end up searching for the screws, where to fix it, where the screw is. Actually, if you take out the caster wheels at the bottom, the screw is already mounted below the caster wheel itself. So you have to unscrew, remove that, and then put it on the plate, and then put the screw from bottom and tighten it. Another thing you need to keep in mind that you cannot over tight this, because if you over tight the ball bearing will not move, the caster wheels will not move, it gets jammed inside. So you have to just loosen it a little bit, and you can just touch and feel if it is moving freely. So till that time you just have to just adjust the screw and make sure it's in a correct position. Let me show you how I did it so that you will have an idea. All right, so this is how it looks once you fix it. So if you see the ball bearing here, the steel ball bearing, it rolls very smooth, I can just feel it. It's pretty smooth here. So what I was referring to is these two screws, right? So these two screws here, it comes along with this caster itself. It doesn't come with other screws here in the packet. So you please do not get confused and keep searching for the screw where it is. This screw comes fixed in this particular socket, okay, in this particular socket. It's already in there. So all you need to do is you have to take out the caster from the packing and unscrew it from this. So this screw will come out, and then put it on the plate, this plate, and then you screw it from the back side. So it's pretty easy, nothing complex, but make sure that this is not over tight. If you tight this particular bearing here, this gets jammed and it doesn't rotate properly. So I did some R&D and I figured out why it's not rotating. Then if you unscrew this little bit, if you loosen these two screws little bit, it frees up, it rotates pretty smooth. So take a look at it, guys. It's a pretty simple lesson. It's very easy to assemble and put it together. Once you are ready, and we will move on to the next lesson. I am going to get back to you soon on that. Goodbye.